What's up, y'all, boy? I ain't even about to waste y'all time. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. For my baby birthday, we went to Myrtle Beach and we went to this restaurant called Nhop. Y'all, when I tell you they had the spread, and I ain't lying. Listen at it.
Look. Hey. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Yeah. Big money.
You are here at the end when the guys make. Wait a minute. Yeah, wait a minute. Look at all this freaking food. You seriously would have thought we were celebrities by how much people was filming us, looking at the table, and just seeing all of the stuff we got, bruh. Dog, the table been so full, we had to start putting food inside the chair, like in a to-go box in the chair, bruh. But I ended up getting a crab meat omelet. I also got the Bloody Mary, which you see the drink right over there. They gave my girl a birthday pancake. She got some waffles, and her mom got the same thing I got.
It's my birthday. It's your birthday.
Happy birthday, my old
Oh,
She 3-0.
3-0. There we go. Hey.
3-0.
3-0. 3-0. 3-0. We go. 3-0. 3-0. We go. We go. 3-0. 3-0. 3-0. Make 3-0.
A 3-3.
A 3-0. A 3-0. A 3-0.
We ended up going to the wax museum. A time was had.
Oprah.
After we linked up with my brother, we went to the wax museum and we went to go on the helicopter. Look, y'all, this is my first time on this. So I had so much fun, y'all. Y'all see that girl nails? Delicious. Yum.
This looks so crazy. Oh my goodness.
Bro, I had so much fun and I had so much food. You would think it was my freaking birthday, but no, seriously, I had the most fun. This was so amazing. I would definitely recommend anybody to come to Myrtle Beach. It's literally so much stuff to do, but we ended up driving back that same night, so we couldn't do much, but glad you could spend it with me. Bye.
Oh no, I'm from Charleston.